Today, let's learn how to make some DIY no-sew face masks for kids and adults. You'll need to cut 2 pieces of fabric, 6 inches by 9 inches for adults and 5 inches by 7 inches for kids. You'll also need 2 7-inch elastics. If you don't have elastic on hand, just cut 2 hair ties in half and you are ready to go. You'll also need some Beacon fabric tack. This is a permanent fabric adhesive that is washable and permanent. To start, glue your elastics a 1/2 inch from the top edge on both short sides of your rectangles. Then you're going to use your fabric glue and go all the way around the perimeter of your fabric, leaving a 2-inch gap at the center of your bottom. You'll want this 2-inch gap because it will make it easy to flip your fabric inside out after your glue is dry. If you don't have sewing pins on hand, you can hold your fabric and your elastic in place with basic paper clips until your glue dries. Wait until your glue is dry enough to flip your fabric inside out before moving on to the next step. To be safe, you can wait about an hour. After your fabric tack is set, you can flip your project inside out, and if you'd like, you can iron it. This is not a mandatory step. Now, to close up the gap at the bottom of your face mask, you're going to use more fabric tack permanent adhesive. Just put a small strip and use a paper clip to hold it in place until it sets. Now, in order for your face mask to fit properly, you're going to want to pleat the 2 short edges. This will help it have a nice curve to it and be far more comfortable and fit better when you're wearing it. To do that, we're going to put a little bit of glue on the side of your face mask and then pleat it. We're going to aim for about 3 pleats along either edge. Don't stress about measuring or seam allowances. It doesn't have to be perfect to get a really good fit. If you've never made a pleat before, don't stress. It's really not that hard. All that a pleat is when you fold the fabric up over itself and then back again. It's just a little Z shape in the fabric that you're making. Hold it in place with glue and then let the glue dry with paper clips. When your mask is all dry, it's ready to wear. It should fit really well and be really comfortable. You can also save 25% off Beacon fabric tack by using code FASHION25 at beaconadhesives.com. Thanks, guys.